In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams if you want a little more privacy. When messaging in Teams, turning off read receipts is a simple setting that can help. Read receipts let other people know when you've seen their messages, so disabling them can be useful if you'd rather respond on your own time without sending that visible confirmation. The good news is that this only takes a moment to change. To get started, go to Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed into your account. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser, depending on how you normally use Teams. Once Teams is open, give yourself a second to let everything load fully so the menus and settings are easy to access. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see the three dots, which open the More Options menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional account and app settings. This menu is where Microsoft Teams keeps several important controls, so if you ever need to customize the app, this is a useful place to remember. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Teams account. Inside Settings, you'll find several categories that control how Teams behaves, including notifications, appearance, and messaging preferences. Now, in the Settings panel, click on Chats. The chat section is where Teams stores options related to your one-on-one and group messaging experience. If you're looking to adjust how messages behave, this is typically the right section to check first. Once you're in Chats, look for the option labeled Read Receipts. When you find it, toggle the switch to the off position. As soon as you switch it off, Teams will stop sending read receipt information for your messages in supported chats. That means other people generally don't see whether you've read their message, and you also may not see read receipt information from them. After making the change, you can simply close the settings window. Teams usually saves this setting automatically, so there's no extra save button to worry about. If you want to verify the change later, just return to the same chat section and check that the read receipts toggle is still off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want a little more control over your messaging privacy and availability.